Jackson taking a break. Oh no.
No, no.
Alright.
Get him playing around, Tamia. Get him playing around.
Come on, Andy.
Get Jackson.
Jackson, boy! Come on! Come on, boy! Oh! Come on, Jackson!
Get his toy. Get one of his toys.
Where?
Right here on the floor.
Where?
Right there. Right below. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. Right there.
The keys?
Oh, those are keys? Oh. Here.
Oh. Jackson!
Here. Maddie Bats. Madeline, here.
Good, Jackson. No, boy. Stop it. Jackson, no. No. Jackson, stop it. Jackson, yours.
That one says too. The blue one says. They're both his.
Oh.
Maddie Bats, what are y'all doing?
What time is? What time is it? 4.
What time is it?
44, but it's changing. Oh.
Whoa, that was almost closer. Maddie. Maddie Bats.
Jackson, boy. Jackson. Jackson. You heard that?
Madeline. Hey, Maddie. Maddie, over here.
No. Jackson.
Maddie, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This Jackson's too? Huh?
Not really. It's kind of Madeline. He can play with it.
Ooh, I want to see this. Look, 5. It's NXT version. Jackson's favorite ball.
Okay, hold on. Is John Cena on there? He'll come running out.
The boy, his name is Jackson. No, he's not on there. And I am. Get him, Kobe. Get him, Kobe. Right, left. Goody. I suck on the light. I got that. Mama. Jackson, right? I need to show you. Maddie Pets. I forgot to roll this. Jackson boy. Jackson boy. Round 2. Man, he moved up in the room. Jackson, this round 2. Come on, boy. Round 2. Come on, Jackson.
That's it.
Oh, no, you're going to suffocate me there. Wait. Jackson. Jackson.
Tamia, what are you doing, Tamia?
And that's that. I'm just throwing Jackson his toys.
Tamia, how old are you?
7 years old.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
Purple
Purple.
and violet.
Yeah, 3 different colors. Purple, pink, and violet. Okay, where you go to school?
North Shore Elementary.
Who's your favorite white guy that you come and get to hang out with him and his wife on the weekends?
James.
Alright.
And he's taking pictures.
I'm taking videos.
That is it. Thank you.
That's it. No more? Maddie!
Maddie Bats.
Maddie, how old are you? Madeline, how old are you today? Maddie Bats.
Jackson Bats.
Madeline. Madeline. Maddie. Bye-bye. No? Okay, bye-bye, Maddie.
Bye-bye, Maddie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Maddie. Ooh, some shoes. Other shoes.
How did you throw the ball? Bye-bye. No, to me, Maddie. Tell me bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Come on now, Kilala. Kilala went behind the TV because Jackson was scaring her.
Where's Kiala?
Behind the TV.
Man, Kiala, what are you doing?
Scared. She got scared.
You can't get Kiala too much.
I told Nancy Jackson not to do that.
What's Bell Bell doing over here?
Put me back on Betty. Here you go, Jackson.
You got Bell Bell?
I mean, Bell Bell. Hey, Bell Bell.
Bell Bell.
Bell Bell, nice. Hey, Bell Bell. She tried to get under the table with Bell Bell, but she can't. Man. You trying to get on the table.
No, watch out, watch out, watch out. Bell Bell.
Bell Bell sharing. That's nice of you, Bell Bell. She about to get out. I'm stuck.
Watch out, watch out. Tamia, watch out. I gotta get from over here so we can get.
There. You can still see?
Kinda. Bless you.